Hello everyone, Dr. Nelly, thank you so much for sharing the link with me. So here I am making my video on collaborative course design. You can see that although it was formed in week 2, by week 4 it was done and we all were supposed to make our contributions. So here I have joined this group ecology. So let me tell you, so my topic was topic 9. Mine was topic 9, I'll show you. Yes, and I have added researching ways followed by our forefathers. These are the assignments. I've added it for my students. So once they click on it, so they have to submit their assignment. Add submission as a click. They want to submit, they will be adding their assignments here. Let me get back. Sorry, these are that I need to I'll do it later on. Then I've added a URL for my students. Finding most dangerous water bodies on Earth. So this is how they'll get to know how come the water bodies may be dangerous naturally, or we can also make them dangerous. So this is the boiling lake. You can see here. This is a boiling lake. The water keeps boiling. You can read why so hot temperatures can be 90 degrees to the hot. The ground also nearby, and then Jacob's Wall is there. You can see Jacob's Wall. This is a very interesting article I found on web. Some of the most dangerous diving caves in the world. About this 30-foot deep natural well it's a well, Jacob's Well. So it's a well, you can see it's so dangerous. And Lake Natron, so there's a well, there's a lake, there's Rio Tinto. So you can see, other than this, my student or anybody can go here. And then, first of all, this is how I'll increase curiosity in our students and other people. And that why do we need to, know about water and water bodies of Earth, and then what is the need of conserving water. So this is another link I have provided here. Why is saving water important? So, with water, see, it belongs. This is a large article, and you can see here water is all around us, isn't it? Rivers, lakes. See, you can say 1 in 4 people admit to taking water availability for granted. With water they use daily, 67% feel they can use less water than. However, a study by the Water Regulation Advisory Scheme responded by WWD found that people in the UK underestimate how much water they actually use by 55%. An average household uses 350 liters. Yet people estimate they only use 150. We do take things for granted, to be totally honest. I didn't realize the exact extent of this issue. You can see it will answer questions like, will water actually run out? Isn't there enough water for everybody? How will saving water help me? Why is it important to save water anyway? What are water companies and government actually doing to save water? So everyone can save water by planting trees. You can see here. Government, what is the water cycle? You can see the water cycle. The UK has a reputation for much higher rainfall. So you can see it's a very elaborative article. It may my students and everyone will find it interesting. Dr. Nelly, I hope this time you would be convinced that I have. So this is the activity I have added. Other than this, for the time being, so this is my contribution. Oh, and yes, I would also like to add the glossary part. In the glossary part, I will also add glossary. Yes, I would also like to add glossary. Glossary on glossary on water conservation. Water conservation. So you can see here there was my wall somewhere. You add it. I'll take it from Google. I'll take it from Google and add it here. Google and I'll add it here. So glossary on saving drinking water. See, I searched this initially. So these are the ads. I don't want ads. I want, yes, this is the link I need for my oh no, this is not the right link. Glossary. Yes, of water terms. So this is another page I am going to add on glossary, although it's a bit technical, but my educated crowd can make good use of it. So I'll be copying the link from here and I'll paste it here. I will link, write the link here. I've created the link and now I'm going to save and display. So once it is saved and displayed, it will be, and see, and initially when I did not know about it, so I did it for my in some other page by mistake. Soon I will add all those things here. So definitely I think this time you'll be convinced, and all my dear friends can see that how do we add things on this collaborative course design. How come this was done by Delivorka, or maybe I don't remember the name exactly. Ecology quiz, and then we are having so many things, so many work on pollution, and you can see air pollution, right? So we do have some link about it, and then endangered species. So giant pandas, so one of the other group members have done it. So you can see, once you are done with all your editing, you have to click here on this turn editing off, and this is how it's all done. Thank you so much everyone for watching. Have a good day. Om Namah Shivaya.